Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple hack how you can get strangers to get in contact with you if they found your lost or missing device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, there are two methods that you can apply. The first method is to display a contact information on the lock screen, like this one right here. And another method is to allow the stranger to directly call your emergency number. So first, let's go back to your home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Next, tap on Add Emergency Contact. Now, in the list of contacts, select your emergency contact. So this could be your uncle, your auntie, your wife, husband, son, daughters, or kids, or father, or dad, or mom. So anyone that you want them to be able to call you, so that that person can then relay the message back to you. So select your emergency contact and then tap on the home button. So here, if I lock my screen and imagine that the phone has gone missing, what they can do is they can press on the side button and the volume down button to access the menu, the lock screen menu. And from here, they can tap on emergency call. You can see at the top here, even when the phone is locked, all they have to do is simply tap on the contact and the phone will be able to place the call. And then they can call that person, and that person can then get in touch with you, and maybe you guys can arrange to pick up the lost or missing phone. So that is one way. The other way is you can apply that contact message down at the bottom here. To do that, you can go to your lock screen or wallpaper. So from here, tap on wallpaper and style, then tap on that right there. That's the lock screen. Then at the bottom, you tap on the message, the contact message. So in the contact information pop-up, you can then put in your details. So put in your phone number. Please call this number if you find this phone. Then tap on done. Then tap on done at the top to save the changes. Now you can access that screen directly from your lock screen as well. So simply touch and hold like this, then unlock it, and that will take you directly to the lock screen page. And from there you can change your contact message. And that's it. So hopefully you don't ever need to use this, but if your phone is lost or gone missing in a public place, and hopefully the person who found your phone will call your emergency contact or the number that you have written down here, so that hopefully you can retrieve your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.